Day one. So that strap that holds this house down and actually goes into the ground and they anchor it is running right across here, one of them. Just strapping on here. The best thing you ever did. Now I can walk anywhere on these. Down here, I'm just going to give myself 2 inches, Billy.
Sure. We go a little more.
I'm going 2 inches past this. You want 2.5, Paul?
Yeah.
You got it.
I think you'd be better off.
Right there, Bill. Oh, get you on the line. I'm on the line. You got to split that line, Billy. He's good.
You screwed it down? No.
Yes. I don't want that thing sliding. Playing that game. I want to measure that real quick. Right, we can go ahead. Just measure, make sure where I'm at. 20. Dead center is 2 feet. Good. Yep, it is.
That one should be 4 inches up.
I like it. Going on, you can do this. If you're trying to do this, you want to have your roof, a new roof, you can do this. I'm going to give you some tips on how to do the overhang without a metal brake today. I heard that, Paul. Hey, come. Yeah, 1.5 inches. Nail down your strapping, nail down your OSB, and nail on your sub fascia. It's 3 o'clock. Dead on it. We measure 7.5 on a metal brake. We put it in. What happens is, oh, sorry about that. Yeah, what happens is, we're going to put it first. Our brake, our cutter, 7.5. Oops, come on in, Grandpa. 7.5. Then our cutter head measures out another inch. What is it, inch or 1.5 inches, that thing? Yeah, measure out another 1.5 inches. Yep. But like I said, not everybody has one of these things, so we will show you an alternative to metal. Hardy board is 1. 1x6 fascia is 2. If you have a metal brake or access to a metal brake, this is probably going to be the way you want to go. What this does, goes down the outside just like that. Just like that, all the way down. This piece gets screwed into the mobile home right there. A couple nails in the top. Termination bar goes right there. Rubber over the top, termination bar. In nice and tight. What's the matter?
Yeah,
Did it?
yeah, you can leave right there, it'd be nice.
Really?
Yeah, straight.
I'm not touching back here.
I can make that touch. Yeah, I can make that touch.
You like that right there?
Yeah, I do.
In other words, it was bowing in. See where you're hitting drill hits.
Yeah, yeah. It's 65-degree weather tomorrow.
Huh?
I know it's ready for 65-degree weather tomorrow.
Is that what it is tomorrow?
No, where I'm at, yeah.
You notice it no longer looks like a moon shape. It has that straight kind of look. What's up, guys? All the faces on. This is primer. Prime and clean, basically. Clean, excuse me. Clean. Get all the talcum powder that's on there. And this is the primer for the seam tape. The seam tape comes in rolls, 3 inches, 6 inches. We like the 6 inch, gives a better lap. Although I'll use 2 3-inch pieces side by side if I have to. We're gonna start pulling the rubber back and gluing it down. I hear you, Paul. Wet shirt. We'll see you in a minute. So when we put the primer on there, and all you need is primer. If you're going to glue rubber to rubber, you would use the rubber to rubber glue. We're using seam tape, 6-inch EPDM seam tape, so you don't need to use the rubber to rubber glue. All you have to do is prime it, and yes, primer with this blue can here. Oops. There you go. So clean it, prime it. HP 25 250 primer. Carlisle. Get any better than that. You got overhang.
You got a good worker, I tell you that.
Telling you, he ain't lying. Oh, I get compliments on him every day. But this is the part, my favorite part right here.